Hey tubers, if you are installing aftermarket wheels, most likely you will need hub centric rings because most aftermarket wheels are non-hub centric. If you drive with aftermarket non-hub centric wheels, you may have abrasion, especially if you have installed bigger tires. Before buying hub centric rings, you will need to make sure they are the right size for your wheels and vehicle. Hub rings are sized from outer diameter to the inner diameter. The outer diameter is the hub bore of the wheel in millimeters. The inner diameter is the diameter of the hub pilot in millimeters. In my case, for my H3 and Mickey Thompson side biters, I had to get 108 to 100 millimeters rings. Rings are cheap and installation is very easy, so there is no reason for not installing proper one if you are running aftermarket wheels that are not perfectly fit. That is all for this one. Have a good day and safe driving. Cheers.